This is the music we'll be mixing today in FL Studio using the FL Studio template titled Music Surgery.
Plus I see it. Let's go.
When you're making music in FL Studio, you don't want to do any real mixing at this stage. We save all of that for the track outs, which we'll create after the music is finished. Whether you're making a beat or recording a song, you want clean track outs of every element. Each track out should be the full length of the song and clearly titled so you can identify it later. At the creation stage, the only thing you should be doing is adding effects to your instruments and vocals. Once the track outs are created, that's when the fun begins. For now, only use EQ and compression if it's to add a specific energy, vibe, or creative effect, not for mixing. If you don't know how to create track outs, there's a link in the description that walks you through it step by step. Every step in this video matters, so if you want a professional mix, make sure you don't skip anything. First things first, load your track outs into the DAW. Next, normalize each track. The Music Surgery template takes up a lot of screen space, so I recommend using the Compact or Compact 2 mixer layout. Now route each track into the mixer. After that, enable the send from each track to its designated bus by clicking Route to this track only.
Plus I see it. Let's go.
Then adjust each bus volume to your liking. The starting volume levels are based on my personal preference, so if they don't fit your current project, feel free to adjust them. Only adjust the bus volume, never the individual track volume. In most cases, the kick, clap, and snare should be left alone. These are the foundation of the track, and they're already set where they need to be. Your goal is to keep the overall level of your music between -6 decibels and -3 decibels. As long as you're within that range, any adjustment is fine if you're happy with the final result. And just like that, you've got professionally mixed music. Keep in mind the song still needs to be mastered. You can use services like eMastered, Lander, or the built-in mastering tools inside FL Studio. You'll find the link to the Music Surgery template in the description, along with the mastered version of this beat. Enjoy.
Plus I see it. Let's go.